beautiful with the eyes, but I can't show it to you guys. I hope you can see it better. It's beautiful. Let's see. Let me see. Wow. Look at these guys. They sell these elephants. They carve it. Kiatwood. We're trying to help the locals because we are locals. Let's see what we can get.
Welcome to Botswana.
Hello world. We are now in Botswana. This is the Botswana River. I don't know what name
My
it
phone
is.
sent me a message.
Yeah, it's
It
gonna.
says, welcome to Botswana. Mine also said it.
It's gonna send you a message because we are in Botswana. There we go. Oh. Welcome to Chobe district.
That's how.
Okay, this is now the Botswana border. Wild dogs. Wild dogs.
There's elephants.
There's elephants, guys, on the road.
Stop.
There's a herd of elephants. Wow. Okay, we are in the National Conservatory, I guess. Hey, it's the first time we're seeing a buffalo.
Go slow or.
Alright guys, we are now in Zimbabwe. That white thing over there, it's not clouds, it's the waterfalls, the Victoria Falls. So we're gonna go that side. Do you see that? That's from the waterfalls. Okay, we are in Zimbabwe. This is Victoria Falls Synthesis. Look there, you can see the steam. Oh my gosh, that whole thing is the steam of the waterfalls. That whole going on there. Oh, this is so interesting.
Hello, $2. Good price. $1.
$1 is how much? For what? How much rent is it? How much rent is it?
$1. Yeah.
There's nothing for the camera coat.
For the camera.
We are now at Vic Falls. Let's see. We're gonna see the biggest waterfall, one of the biggest waterfalls in Africa, in the world.
The whales.
Let's see how it looks like inside. Okay guys, so we have raincoats, right? So I don't know if this camera is gonna be able to go vlog day like this, so I'll try. I'll try to see how this is gonna work. If not, I'm gonna vlog with my phone. I think my phone is gonna be better. So we're standing in the queue and yeah, on our way into the Vic Falls inside. People are walking out there wet. Oh, what about my camera? How bad is it?
Free Wi-Fi.
How do you cover your camera? Way to the falls. Yeah. Huh? Way to the falls, yeah, straight there. It's the way to the falls. Looks like this. Let us go. You do not know the way. So we walk. Oh, follow those people. Wow, look at this. Looks like we're going to the mountain.
Yeah, it's under the trees.
Under the trees, look at
good.
it. This is definitely an elephant skull.
Yeah, yes, the
Those ones are what? This is an elephant. Elephant, wow. It looks so. Okay, on the way. Lego, Lego.
Beautiful, yeah.
Look at this. Okay, we can hear the water from here. Everybody that left there is all wet. So I guess we're gonna be wet. The way to walk there is like a forest. Oh, look at that. We're going straight that way, I guess.
This way or that way?
Let's see what is here. Oh, oh wow. Oh wow. Let's just check here. Oh, oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at this, guys. You can't see it the way the eyes can see it. It's more beautiful with the eyes, but I can't show it to you guys. I hope you can see it better. Wow. Oh, look at that. You're dead if you get caught in there. I hear a lot of, what do you call them? Helicopters. Oh, let's take a nice photo there. Do not climb the statue. What statue is this? Let's see. What is that? Let's take a selfie, guys. What do you guys see? Oh my goodness.
Hold it down.
Wow. Oh, this raincoat is bloody hot. Look at that. Oh. Woo. Wow, look from here. Wow. My gosh, if you fall there, you're gonna. Yes. Look at this, guys. Yo. Okay, we're going deeper. I don't know. This is the top part of the falls. It gets hot. My gosh, this place is hot. Ah, you guys are running too much. Stop running. Guys, it's so humid here. It's all good. We're looking for the place where we must get wet with our raincoats. I think it's somewhere as you go down, yeah? As you go down, yeah? As you go down, look at Tristan. Here we are. So we're gonna go down, down, down. Woo! My God. Wow. Nice. Yeah, the cloud it makes all the way up there. Oh, that's where you get the raincoats and stuff. Point 4. How many points are there? Umbrella. Oh wow, look there. Wow. My goodness. If you're there, you're gone. Okay, the thing goes splashes at you. So let me just put my stuff on. Apparently our shoes are gonna be so wet. It's getting wet. Costanza, take a photo of you guys, the three of you. Okay, we are going down, 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 down. Down the island. This is point number 5. Oh, this is even wet. Watch out, camera, you're gonna get wet again. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Oh. Wow. different. It's really some. Wow, look at that. This is so awesome.
You can get a photo there.
Hold on.
I want to get my camera, but I don't have it. Where to go? It's so beautiful.
Number 7. Ferns! Am I bumping somebody?
No, not
Going
yet.
back in grade 5.
Not yet.
Where's Annie? Sorry.